don't know. Okay, you guys, Mama wants you to learn to eat. Get over here and eat. Don't go under there, Smokey.
Smokey. No.
That goes all the way under there, Greg. Don't let Smokey under there. Don't let none of them under there. See, she knows that goes all the way. You don't want them to get under there.
Have something to put up on it. You better keep an eye on them. Keep an eye on them, yeah. Put these ass up, you go on it, yeah.
Go under there, no.
You can't get on that one, I think.
Yes, they can. That's what I'm telling you, Greg. We've got to watch them close when they're out.
What do you want?
Ice cream with chocolate on top of it. You keep wanting to go under there. No.
Monday said, leave the hook key on. They didn't go where they want to go. They haven't been nowhere in 9 years.
They ain't 9 years old, Greg.
Oh, that's about that old. How much you want?
I don't know. Both, I guess. Not a great big old bowl full. Not that big a bowl full. Put me in a regular bowl, Greg. That's a damn giant's bowl. No, you can't go under there. Y'all get back over this way. Come on. Smokey, come on. Smokey. Watch it before Daddy steps on you. Look, get over here. You gotta learn to eat, guys. What do you think, Mama? Don't let them go over there. You know there's places they can't go. Yeah, you watch them. Okay, that should...